In this short tutorial, I will show you how to download the iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. The iOS 18 beta allows users to test out new features and improvements before the official release. It's a great way to see what's coming next for your device. To get started, open up the Safari web browser. And then go to developer.apple.com. After that, tap on these two lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap Account. What you want to do next is sign in using your Apple ID. Tap Continue. If you are doing this for the first time, you need to agree to the developer agreement. So read them carefully to get a better idea of what you are agreeing to. And then put a check mark on this box. Tap Submit. Then don't tap on the Enroll Today option, instead, just exit the browser. Then open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, tap Software Update. Then tap on the Beta Updates option. And then simply tap and select the iOS 18 Developer Beta. Then go back. Now you can download and install it. So go ahead and tap Update now. Enter your passcode. And it will download and install the iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. Remember that beta software may contain bugs and issues, so it's recommended to back up your device before installing it. This is exactly how you can install iOS 18 beta for free on an iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.